All glories to the Supreme Divine Healers, Shri Shri Amrita Dhanvantari. May the OM.Love be with us. Okay, here are the fast summary instructions for the 16th step OM.Love.MATRIX alignment. First of all, we say the prayer to Dhanvantari to be connected to the Supreme Healing Source and get the blessings for successfully receiving and transmitting the healing information and energy. Then we go through the same steps for each of the 16 matrix alignment phrases. The pictures show the hand positions for self-treatment. When, however, we do a distance treatment or even a personal treatment for someone else, the left hand will not be on the navel, but it will be with the palm up to receive the healing information. Further, if we do a distant treatment for some person or animal or plant even, then we imagine the persons and we apply the received healing information to the 3 centers as shown in the pictures mentally by recalling the picture of the person, animal or plant. So we say the first line, Jai Om Amrit Dhanvantarai, 1 time to get connected. Then we say the line again, applying the information to the crown center. Then we say the line again, applying it to the 3rd eye center, and then again we apply the information to the emotional heart center as shown in the pictures. Personally, I usually say half of the line while opening the right hand, and the second half of the line I apply the information on the point. There are no completely fixed rules on how to apply this information, but you can find out by yourself what is comfortable for you. Personally, I like to take a deep breath and do all the 4 lines, chanting the 8-syllable affirmation of 1 line 4 times in a row, and then take a deep breath and do the 2nd affirmation. It would sound approximately like this. Jai Om Amrit Dhanvantarai, Jai Om Amrit Dhanvantarai, Jai Om Amrit Dhanvantarai, Jai Om Amrit Dhanvantarai. Amrit informed source connected, Amrit informed source connected, Amrit informed source connected, Amrit informed source connected, etc., etc. For more background information, please download the OM.Love.MATRIX alignment manual from 108/lsa.com. Thank you very much. I hope this helps and is clear enough. If not, you are most welcome to ask any questions. Hare Krishna.